guys, today I'm going to talk about how to offer an explanation or justification for something you do by attaching either no des, des, or just no to the end of your statement. A statement that ends with no da or da is an explanation. By using no da or da, the speaker explains what is stated or implied previously. It can also be used as a standalone sentence ending for emphasis. The only difference between the three options listed here is the degree of formality associated with each. We can see here that no des is the most polite of the three options, and no is the most casual, with des laying somewhere in the middle. So in order to use this grammatical function, we start with our first sentence. The use of this function will then depend on how the second sentence ends. If the second sentence ends with an adjective, we simply attach either des or no des to the end of the adjective. So, for example, I swam every day. Even in the winter it is warm, you see. 毎日泳ぎます。冬でも暖かいんです。So we can see here that we have attached or no to the end of the adjective and finished with des. If the second sentence ends with a verb, we must use the plain form of the verb in any tense before attaching or no des. For example, I'm studying hard every day. There is a test, you see. 毎日勉強しています。テストがあるんです。We can see here that the verb arimasu has been conjugated into its plain form, aru, before attaching or no des. If the second sentence ends with a na adjective or a noun in the non-past form, na must be added before the na adjective or noun and no da or da. So for example, I made kanji cards. I am weak at kanji, you see. 漢字カードを作りました。漢字が苦手なんです。So we can see here that we've inserted na before the or the no des. Let's look at our second example. That is a big box, isn't it? Yes, it's the instrument box, you see. それは大きい箱ですね。はい、楽器の箱なんです。So again, we can see here that we've inserted the na before the or the not des. Now please note that sometimes or not des is used to make the statement sound softer, especially when dealing with problems. In this case, kedo is often used after des also. Compare the following. I want to go home early today. 今日早く帰りたいです. And the second sentence, I would like to go home early today. And is it okay to do that? 今日早く帰りたいんですけど. Now please note that in a casual situation, da is used instead of des, as da is the plain form of des. So that's about all for this topic, but if you have any questions or comments, please let me know.